Welcome to the project demonstration of solar powered grass cutter Bluetooth control. In this part we are using PIC microcontroller and Bluetooth module and also using a 8293D motor driver. So here we can see here is a 8293D motor driver which drives the motor, and also we are using a solar panel and charging circuit, and also using a 12 volts 1 amp battery. And we can see here for the grass cutter we are using a 1000 rpm DC motor. And also we are using 4 sides of a DC motor of 30 rpm. So here we can see we are using 30 rpm DC motors for the 4 sides. So the main aim of this part is to cut the grass and movement using the Bluetooth module. So coming to the power supply, so we are giving the taking the 12 volts power supply from this battery pack. Each battery have a 4 volt 1 amp capacity. We are adding the batteries in a series, so it is equals to 12 volts 1 amp. So 4 is equals to 12 volts with 1 amp capacity that will be given to this 8293D. Using this 8293D, it will be have a voltage regulator. That voltage regulator will be take the 5 volts, that will be take the 12 volts and it will give the 5 volts of DC. That DC we are giving to this PIC microcontroller. So PIC microcontroller need only 5 volts of power supply. Using this PIC microcontroller board, we are providing the power supply also to the 8293D and relay. So this Bluetooth module is interfaced with the PIC microcontroller with the using of UART communication. UART is nothing but a universal asynchronous and universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter. In this communication, these two devices will be connected each other. And coming to the controlling, so now we are controlling the power supply. Now we need to switch on this and also one thing I forgot to say, that the charging of this battery, so we are charging this battery using the solar panel and also using a transformer. These are the two sources, one is a solar panel, another is a step-down transformer, and this is a charging circuit. So we are charging this battery using the solar panel, so that it will produce a voltage. That voltage will be given to this rectifier. This is the input of this rectifier, and that will be given to this battery. So for the solar panel, it will be, this circuit will be act as a reverse voltage protector. So whenever the battery become fully charged, then it will be give a reverse voltage. That reverse voltage will be damage a solar panel. So that's why we are using this rectifier to protect the reverse voltage. In this rectifier we have diodes to oppose the reverse voltage. So these diodes are allows the power in forward direction only, it doesn't allow reverse direction. So that's why if the battery voltage come reverse, so it doesn't allow the reverse voltage to the solar panel. So that's why we are using this rectified circuit for the solar panel to protect the transformer, so to protect the solar panel. And also we can charge, and we can see the small light indication over there. So due to small light, it is glowing some amount of light, and which means it is producing some amount of power. If I remove this one, we can see the light gonna be off. If I give, it will be a high. So if you place this one in sunlight, it will give up to 12 volts of output. Now I am removing this one, and also I am using the step down transformer to charge the battery. So here you can see I am providing a 230 volts power supply using this power cable that will be given to the primary of the transformer, and secondary of the transformer it will step down up to 12 volts 1 amp, that will be given to this rectifier. So we know that rectifier converts AC to DC. Now it is converting AC current into DC current. So we can see, so it is taking the AC input and it will be converting into DC 12 volts. That 12 volts will be given to this battery to charge that one. So in this way, these two sources will be act as a charger for this battery. I am remove this one and place their solar connection. Now we will see how to pair the Bluetooth module to our phone. So first of all, we need to on the power supply here. So we can see the system is in on position. So here we can see it is showing the HSC05. We need to pair this one. It will be asked password, so password should be 1234. Now save it. It will be paired here, saved here. So we can see it is in saved here. We need to connect that one in a HSC05 Bluetooth model app. So here we can see serial Bluetooth terminal. So we need to go for this one. So this is the previous data while we testing, just delete it. So if you newly come to this app, we need to go for 3 lines and have to choose devices and have to choose HSC05. Now here we can see it is connected. So now here we can see it is connected. So I will show you how it will be works. So if we press F, it will be go forward direction. If I press S, it will be stop. And if I press B, it will be go backward direction. If I press R, so we can see the motor direction here. These are rotating forward and that's are rotating reverse, which means it is going to the right side. So if I press L and enter, and we can see these motors are rotating forward side and these motors are rotating reverse, which means it is a left direction. For the stop we will use S. Now for example taking the B, it is backward. We can see the motor rotation. I am pressing the S to stop this one. And also we can on and off this grass cutter motor using the 192 numbers. Now I am pressing 1. So relay will be get switched on and you can see the grass cutter is on. So I want to off this one, just press 0 and enter. Then relay gets switched off, then automatically this will be in off position. Now I will show you in the on floor. So in the on floor we can see, so I have set these commands on buttons, and you can also set these buttons. Now I have set it as this button as F, B, L, I, S. I am pressing F to go forward. I am pressing B. I am pressing the left. Now I am pressing the right. Again I am giving the forward and just stop. Rotating, go to the left. Now I am giving the 1 command. So you can see it is on, and also I am rotating that one in the forward and again stop. Now I am giving forward, I am giving forward, backward and stop. 1, forward, backward, left, right, and again offing this one, 0 and forward, stop. So in this way this part will be works. Thanks for the watching.